Across the frozen Canadian tundra, engineers unleash the ultimate 1,000-kilometer Hyperloop. Brutal sub-zero temperatures and shifting permafrost make this Earth's most unforgiving environment. A 1,000-kilometer vacuum corridor will connect isolated cities at the speed of sound. High-precision thermal sensors map unstable permafrost layers to prevent structural thawing. Geotechnical core drilling verified stable bedrock foundations deep beneath the shifting ice. Heavy polar logistics fleets transported millions of tons of aerospace-grade materials. Giant rotary piling rigs bored foundational shafts deep into solid Canadian bedrock. Massive thermosyphons freeze the surrounding ground, preventing the permafrost from ever melting. Specialized freeze-resistant concrete formulations ensure structural integrity in extreme cold. Colossal aerodynamic concrete pylons elevate the Hyperloop safely above massive winter snowdrifts. Heavy-duty launching gantries position massive vacuum tube segments with absolute precision. Automated robotic welders fuse the massive titanium joints to ensure absolute airtight seals. Heavy-duty elastomeric expansion joints absorb extreme thermal contraction during brutal Arctic winters. Automated vehicles install precision magnetic levitation stators inside the dark steel corridors. Laser alignment protocols guarantee perfectly straight magnetic rails across 1,000 kilometers. Massive industrial vacuum pumps extract thousands of cubic meters of air from the tube. Internal atmospheric pressure is reduced to near vacuum, eliminating aerodynamic drag completely. Continuous solar arrays along the tube roof generate independent, clean power. Dedicated battery substations regulate immense power loads across the freezing landscape. Aerodynamic shrouds shield the elevated pylons from violent crosswinds and blizzards. Aerodynamic passenger pods arrive at the central terminal, built from aerospace-grade composites. Magnetic levitation skis generate powerful electromagnetic fields, lifting the pod effortlessly. Inside, passengers experience unmatched comfort with digital windows simulating the outside world. Massive automated airlocks seal the departure bays, maintaining the vacuum environment. Centralized command hubs track every pod simultaneously, using real-time quantum telemetry. Redundant reverse magnetic braking systems guarantee absolute control in catastrophic scenarios. Initial test pods verify magnetic track geometry and vacuum integrity at ultra-high speeds. BIM digital twin technology simulates operational flow across all 1,000 kilometers. Advanced life support systems continuously scrub carbon dioxide and maintain perfect cabin pressure. Solar-powered utility stations supply vital resources to remote Hyperloop hubs. Sleek magnetic pods cut travel times across the frozen north by hours. Parallel freight corridors bypass treacherous icy roads, accelerating global cargo logistics. High-speed diagnostic lasers scan the exterior dynamically to ensure structural perfection. Passengers experience unmatched speeds of over 1,000 kilometers per hour silently. Dedicated rapid response pods deliver emergency medical supplies to isolated communities in minutes. Monumental bridges and tunnels conquer the tundra's most impassable geographical barriers. Kinetic energy recovery systems capture magnetic deceleration to recharge the grid. Automated thermal heaters prevent dangerous ice buildup on critical exterior components. Augmented reality assists maintenance crews in performing rapid aerodynamic diagnostics.
International leaders gathered to inaugurate the greatest infrastructural leap in Canadian history. The inaugural journey marked a new dawn of continental connectivity. 1,000 kilometers of continuous vacuum steel connect diverse regions seamlessly. A triumph of collaborative engineering conquers the harshest winter environments. The Canadian Hyperloop stands as a masterpiece of extreme infrastructural development.
External maintenance rovers ensure the tube remains clear of dangerous ice accumulation.
Ultrasonic scanners check every millimeter of titanium to prevent high-speed depressurization.
Automated blast valves can instantly isolate compromised tube sections to save lives. Deep friction piles anchor the massive viaducts through unstable summer muskeg safely. Autonomous security rovers patrol remote tube sectors using advanced thermal imaging. Cathodic protection systems shield vital metallic infrastructure from seasonal moisture. Dedicated wildlife underpasses maintain essential ecological balance for migrating herds. High-capacity freight lines export delicate cargo efficiently to coastal megaports. Smart grid routing algorithms balance massive energy demands across the network. Piezoelectric vibration sensors detect early structural fatigue before mechanical failure occurs. Extensive operational data validates long-term economic superiority over traditional air transport. Educational visitor centers connect local communities to cutting-edge aerospace innovation. Illuminated beneath the northern lights, the corridor represents humanity's boundless ambition. The Canadian Mega Hyperloop stands as a masterpiece of planetary infrastructure. A 1,000-kilometer vacuum artery now pumps life through the frozen heart of Canada. Advanced digital displays manage thousands of passengers boarding simultaneously. Automated robotics sort and load cargo capsules with absolute efficiency. Emergency pressure relief systems can instantly flood the tube with breathable air safely. Rapid response emergency crawlers stand by for immediate deployment along the network. Dedicated fiber optic backbones ensure zero latency communication across the continent. Geothermal heating grids keep critical station switches free from dangerous ice buildup. Magnetic deceleration brings the hypervelocity pods to a smooth, silent halt. Aerodynamic shock waves are deflected effortlessly by the pod's aerospace-grade nose cone. Automated robotic arms rapidly recharge the pods during passenger boarding cycles. Passengers emerge from their supersonic journey entirely refreshed and relaxed. Constant surface maintenance ensures the isolated hubs remain accessible all winter. Massive glass domes shelter travelers from the brutal Arctic climate outside. The Canadian Hyperloop conquers impossible geography with breathtaking elegance. Global engineering collaboration makes supersonic ground travel a living reality.
A 1,000-kilometer leap forward secures the ultimate high-speed future for Canada.